Paul Davis.
Diolch, Llywydd. Trefnydd, I'd like to request a statement from the Welsh Government on support for small businesses. There have been huge concerns raised by businesses in Pembrokeshire recently, and I'm sure right across Wales, regarding the increase in the rateable value of some of these businesses. The latest business rates revaluation has meant that some businesses are now facing rises of several 100% compared with previous assessments. These are the same businesses that have already been hit with some of the highest business rates in the UK. And so whilst I appreciate that a transitional relief scheme will help some businesses manage these changes, the reality is that for many businesses it's not enough, and some businesses will be forced into a position where they will have to close. Therefore, I'd be grateful if we could have an urgent statement from the Cabinet Secretary for Economy, Energy and Planning about the measures being taken to support small businesses across Wales so that they can continue to create jobs, support communities and boost our local communities.
Diolch yn fawr, Paul Davis, and you are right, support for business is crucial and it's a key priority of this Welsh Government. You've just heard from the First Minister about the level of non-domestic rates. It is important there is a transitional relief scheme, and I'm sure many of us were out, and I think this was raised only last week, our Small Business Saturday, of course, and recognising that is also about our habits, our custom, our shop local, which I certainly do in my town of Barry, but it is very clear that we need to that we are already boosting our businesses, and indeed not just Welsh Government playing a part in that, but also local government as well.